Hello everyone! Today we're gonna start making a very simple, quick and easy 4-ingredient mango jam. In this recipe, we will be using just a small quantity, so just 1 kilogram of mango chunks or mango pulp. So first off, we will need to sterilize our mason jars and the lids for 10 minutes in boiling water. So you don't need to sterilize if you're just making a jam for yourself or for personal use. But if you're going to gift them or give them as a present or will be making them for business, then you will need the sterilization process of your mason jars. So I just simply submerge them into the water, the boiling water, take them out and let them dry. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple. Okay, next I need to place 750 grams of mangoes in a food processor. And I don't want to puree all the mangoes because I want my mango jam to be chunky. So, but if you don't have a food processor, use a masher or a fork to mash the mangoes. And then the rest of the mangoes, which is just 250 grams, chop them or cut them into small chunks or tidbits. You know, in cooking my mango jam, I don't usually use the pectin because mangoes are sweet and they normally have natural pectin. So that will help your jam solidify easily. So the secret to that is more time in cooking and you will have a perfect jellified mango jam in the end. And I will also use a natural acid, which is just a teaspoon of lemon juice. So no need to use citric acid or pectin in this recipe. I always use the natural ingredients. So now what I'm doing now is bringing my mangoes to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes. So just turn it on medium flame and just keep stirring to avoid burning the bottom of the pan. Okay, so we've been stirring for the last 10 minutes. As you can see, the mangoes look soft and thick in consistency. So we will now add 1 3/4 cups of white sugar. Okay, there you go. And then continue stirring for the next 15 minutes. At this point, we can now add our passion fruit and the lemon juice. So it's up to you if you want to sieve the passion fruit pulp to remove the seeds or not. But for me, for aesthetic purposes, I included the seeds because I also want to have that crunchy texture of the passion fruit seeds in my mango jam. So adding passion fruit is completely optional. But your mango jam will have a very delectable and unique taste if you add a hint of passion fruit on it. So it is simply addictive. I just simply love spreading mango jam in my toast every morning. Okay, there you go. So after adding the passion fruit pulp and the acid, which is the lemon juice, just keep on stirring until the jam is completely set or thick. So here we go, the mango jam with a hint of passion fruit is done. There. Okay. So it's now time to transfer them in the mason jars straight away while it is still boiling hot. Okay. And it's now time to seal it properly with a lid or mason jar cover. And should you also wish to give this as a present to your friends or families or make this as a business, it is important to create a sticker label for the bottled mango jam. Okay, so that also shows the cooked date and best before date. Your mango jam can be stored in the pantry or in the fridge for the next 12 months. So here you go, this is all for now, and thank you for watching!